Known to be a long-distance runner, the golden jackal is the largest and probably the most widespread jackal species in the world. The bunch prefers to wander in steppe terrains, arid grasslands, as well as dry and open country. The fur is generally yellow to pale gold and brown tipped, but the color can vary according to the season and region. Golden jackals are strictly nocturnal. However, those living in other areas can be partly diurnal. Although these mammals are known to be good hunters, they normally stay clear of larger animals. The golden jackal's light build is apt for chasing prey. They can swiftly detect any movement of their prey and pounce on them in a dog-like fashion. The golden jackals usually kill their own prey. They will sometimes eat carcasses, often scavenging leftovers from other animals' kill. More often, their behavior is strictly synchronized. They forage, hunt, and rest together. Very much like humans, the golden jackals have one mate for life, and both parents help take care of the young. The golden jackal's population has plummeted all over India in recent years. However, Pench Tiger Reserve in Madhya Pradesh still houses many families of the golden jackals, and they can easily be seen on any jungle safari.